In this tutorial, I'd like to talk about the Rowboat. It is a Trinity College Grade 2 piano piece, and the Rowboat should make us think of a trip, a solemn trip on the water, and it's quite a sad trip, and it's quite a slow trip as well, because of the tempo, which is andante, measuring at 92 crotchet beats per minute. And we're going to play in common time, so there's no strange time signature here. But what is most important here is the way we are going to have to move our hands, as well as certain elements that we need to take note of. We're going to first start with the right hand. The right hand is going to start with our forefinger on G. So we're going to place our thumb on D right next to middle C, so that our forefinger is on that G. And we're going to play 4, 4, F sharp, 4, 3, 2, 2, stretching the thumb all the way down to B right next to middle C. Then the right hand moves up, second finger is going to go to B right next to high C. Then we're going to do 2, 5, 2, rest, 1, 4, 1, move down 1, 1, 4, 1. Then our second finger is going to go over to F sharp, 2, 5 on B. So that's quite a tricky part, but if we break it down and we play section by section, it's not actually that bad. Keeping our hand there and keeping our second finger on F sharp, we're now going to go 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2 on F sharp, 3, 2, 1. Third finger replaces our thumb, 3, 2, 1 on middle C, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2. Then, and finally, for our last part with the right hand, we're going to have the thumb on E, 1, 2 on F sharp, walking up like a scale. Now, the pinky needs to be replaced by the forefinger. 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2 on G sharp. And we're going to swap fingers, 3, 2 on F sharp. Keeping both there, ending with our thumb on E and E. So there's quite a lot of movement in the right hand, but fingering here is very, very important. So make sure that you use the fingering that is provided on the score. For the left hand, we're going to start with our thumb on B next to middle C, so that our pinky is on E. We're going to do 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, and 5 and 4. Now, look closely. We now have the treble clef sign, meaning that we're going to read treble clef notes, meaning that first note there with the thumb will be G above middle C. So the pinky now moves to middle C. 1, 1 F sharp, 2, 1, 2, 3, swap the third finger with 2, and 5. And look at that, if you listen closely, it's literally the melody again that we just played first in the right hand. Now we're going to go back to our first position, where we have E. We're going to do 3 and 5, stretch the thumb, 1 and 5, thumb on middle C, stretch the thumb back, B and E, 1 and 5 still, then 2 and 5, then 3 and 5, 4 and 5, 3 and 5, 2 and 5, 1 and 5, stretching the thumb all the way up to D, keeping pinky on E, thumb down to C, still pinky on E, 5 and 4 next on F sharp, and now we have the treble clef sign once again. And now we move our thumb to E above middle C, and we're going to do this crossing of the second finger over the thumb. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and 5. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of movement in this piece. If we talk about the dynamics, we will see that we start mezzo forte, medium loud, going to medium soft, mezzo forte again. Almost diminuendo, ritenuto, getting slower, piano, and nice and soft and slow up until the very end. The ending is very important and can be often quite confusing as well. So check the notes and fingering at the end, making sure that you read treble clef for the second last bar, and then the last bar we've got the bass clef sign again. When we play this piece, it's very, very important to note that the piece is in a minor up until the very end. And we can say that when we get to the end, the boat trip is done and we are back on land. So try to enact this slow movement, so slow and sad movement. Do not play too fast. It's not a race boat. It is a boat that we do with paddle, and it's quite a big boat. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might be useful. Thanks for watching.